Assembling. Each fine jewelry piece goes through a process. Casting pieces have to be removed from the tree and their prongs need to be removed as well. Many of these pieces are just components of other larger pieces which are going to be assembled together with other components. Soldering. Soldering is a form of welding two pieces of metal together. Many jewelry items are put together through soldering two or more components into one finished or pre-finished piece. This process involves a special blowtorch operated by propane gas. The flame is regulated for different degrees of heat, which is noticeable by the jeweler according to the size and color of the flame. There are many pliers and other tools designed to assist the jeweler to grab the hot metal while holding the torch. After soldering precious metal items, they are submerged in cold water to bring down the temperature of the metal.